Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will now that how to check system processor on your Windows. So let's start the video. So guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Here you can find more video related to fix for Windows 10, Windows 11 and Windows 7. So let's start the video. Click here start button and click here run option and type here under this box MS Info 32 and after that click here OK button. So guys, you can see here there are processor option and the 12th generation is your system and i3 and 3302 megahertz and one core processor, one logical processor. You can check here your processor details here. So guys, I hope you will know that how to check processor on your Windows. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching.